So peaceful with the rain. It really is. The cat seems to love it. He does. It's our perfect rainy day. It's so peaceful in here. Yeah, I could stay like this all day. Me too. This rain makes everything feel so cozy. It really does. I'm glad we have this. Me too. The rain makes everything feel so cozy. It really does. This soup is going to be perfect. Almost done here. Fly high, little friend. Wait for me up there. Go on, little one. Fly free. That's it. You're doing it. What a beautiful day.
Hey, come down!
Okay, I'm coming down.
Careful on the ladder.
I am. Here you go.
I'm so happy to see you.
Me too. Thank you for the lovely flowers.
Oh, they're beautiful. I picked them for you. Thank you so much. You're welcome. I picked these for you. Oh, they're beautiful. Thank you. They look perfect there. I'm glad you like them.
Look how happy he is. He loves the attention. Who's a good boy?